A large-scale farmer in the Stephen, Minnesota area has gone out of business, leaving lots of debt behind. Bill Sczepanski farmed 20,000 acres of corn, beans, and sugar beets at his peak, but the commodity price drop after 2014, combined with a couple of wet years, were more than he could overcome. As Mikkel Pates reports, his land, equipment, and other assets are being sold off in an attempt to satisfy his creditors.
We're winding down on another big farm insolvency in the northern Red River Valley.
Like all farmers, Mr. Sczepanski was affected by the drop in commodity prices that occurred in 2014. But that drop in commodity prices affected farmers up in this area probably even more, because they experienced very wet conditions, in particular in 2015 and 2016. And that hurt a lot of farmers.
The Bill Sczepanski insolvency isn't as big as the MCM case, but it has a huge impact on this region.
McMartin was a bigger farmer. He was farming up to about 50,000 acres. Sczepanski was farming about 20,000 acres. Mr. Sczepanski did have a larger percentage of land that he owned, but both of them leased a significant part of their land, and that effectively leverages problems when they go bad as well as benefits when they go well.
The Sczepanski case involves $7 to $8 million in debts. Some of his land and other assets, including farm equipment, have been sold off. In addition, Sczepanski owed nearly $1.5 million to the Farmers Elevator in Alvarado, Minnesota, which is one of the reasons the elevator changed hands.
There's no doubt that whenever any significant farmer or any significant business enterprise goes out of business, it's got a negative effect not just for those individuals, but really everybody in the community.
The court decided that about $1 million in unit retains from American Crystal Sugar Company could be auctioned off for the benefit of creditors. Before it's over, the Sczepanski case may help decide some questions over co-op law versus creditor rights in insolvencies. For Ag Week, this is Mikkel Pates at Warren, Minnesota.
Bill Sczepanski declined Mikkel's attempts to interview him for this story. You can read more about it in the next Ag Week magazine.